Today I'm here with a new mini album to share with you. This adorable little book measures 6 by 6. It has 4 signature pages and tons of room for pictures. So let's take a look. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a new little mini album project. So for this book I am using my July subscription box collection, which is this beautiful collection by Prima, and we went ahead and created this little 6 by 6 book. So if you have any 6 by 6 collections that you want to use, this is a really good tutorial for that. If you want to be part of the subscription box, I'm gonna have the link below. So for this box we have this beautiful gorgeous applique here, these butterflies, we have these gorgeous flowers, we have one 6 by 6 paper collection, the seam binding, the ephemera kits, and then we have these leaves as well. And so yeah, so tons of little details added here on this box. Also we have these little ink that I use to outline all of the front cover here. If I have additional of these boxes, I will link them separately as only July box if you want to just purchase this one as a standalone. And of course the video class by itself will be available as well. So yes, so this collection or this mini album has 4 signature pages, and the style that I wanted to go for these are accordion folds. So each page is an accordion fold. We're using the easy hinge system, so really quick and easy to put together. So if you're a beginner album maker, this is actually a really cute tutorial for you. Also, if you have tons of 6 by 6 collections, you can use them on this book. I only use one 6 by 6 collection. But anyway, let's go ahead and take a look here. So that is the outside, and let's open these up. So when we open this here on this side, we have a very simple flap. I love the collage pages. Now this collection is, I think it's called Spring, so it could also be a really beautiful Easter book. I'm just theming this summer rain because that's kind of the look that I was going for. But over here I am using some white complementary cardstock. This cardstock here has some texture and I really like how it feels. It looks really pretty when you do some journaling on it. So I really like it. Almost feels like wallpaper. But of course you can use that for a picture. And here we have the first accordion page. So on the center we have this little collage, and on the video class I show you how to make these little collage features. So we created a few of those, and then I added those throughout the pages. You'll see here in a minute. And then this simply opens to the side. So this is the first accordion fold. It opens both ways, and this opens up like this, so we have room for pictures. Here you can fit a 4 by 6 and do some journaling on the side, and then same thing on the other side of the accordion fold, and this opens up for more pictures, and again a little journaling place there. And then for the back we just have another simple flap here that I added some of my leftover ephemera to add a little bit of the collection, but of course you can use the whole place here for a picture. On the next accordion fold we have another little collage. These collages are using just the ephemera from the collection, and then I use some foam tape, and then every time I added one of these I put a big piece of chipboard on the back, so it kind of comes out of the page a little bit, creating some volume. Then this opens to the side over here, so again place for pictures. And then we have a double little sliding page, and you can have a picture reveal there on the center, and then again a couple pictures here or journaling places. Then over here this opens to the other side, and then have a pocket on this page, and then another beautiful collage image. For this pocket, I don't know if you can see, but I am using some scrap pieces that I had left over and came out with a cute little design in there, just using every bit of scraps on this collection. On the next page, this is a beautiful area for a picture, and then this opens to the side, and then a little ephemera there to put a picture behind, and the paper here has all these beautiful umbrellas, so cute. And then on the next page we have a gatefold, so another one of these collage little pieces that were so fun to create. And by the way, to create this whole book I use one 6x6 paper collection and then one ephemera set. So if you have any kind of paper collections that are 6x6 sitting on your stash, this will be a really good tutorial for, you know, to get all of those out and used. And this is a little gatefold page. This is another little collage image here. This one I place just flat on the page, but this is left open so you can put a picture back there. Some journaling area, and then this is an easel, so it opens like that. And also back here we have a belly band, so you can add more photo mats in there as well. The whole thing closes up, and then this opens to this side over here. So these, again, these side panels are using some scrap pieces that I just kind of collage. And then this opens, oh, and I forgot to put paper here, but it opens up like this, so you can use this as a little journal as well as a mini album, so you can kind of have a mix of the two. And so we have two magnets there, as you can see, and then some of the ephemera that I just used to dress this up. And then on the other side we have an area for picture, and then here we have another accordion fold, and you can add over here 5x5 pictures or pictures and journaling. And then here we have the next two pages. So I love the butterfly theme, so I just went with the butterfly background here, and then this just simply opens to the side, so place for picture or journaling. And here we have another one of those collage little ephemera pieces with some chipboard on the back, and this piece here pulls down. Let me see, here we go, we pull this down, and then you have up here place for a couple pictures right there. And I put a little ducky, he's open so you can slide your picture behind, and that closes back up. And then we have a pop-up, so I just left this plain to not add more bulk, but you can go ahead and put 4x4 pictures on each one of these panels here, and then they close. And even down here you can put more pictures again. And then on the other side we have another pop-up, and as you can see, even on the last page, this page is open really flat here using our easy hinge system, and then these two open up like that, so room for 4 pictures there. And then on the last page, another beautiful collage over here with some little mushrooms and just like garden little pieces, and then this opens up like this. And then this one as well over here with the collage, and it opens up like that. So both of these open, and you can add a picture here. I love this design. And so I hope you guys enjoyed the walkthrough of this book. Again, I will have the box and the video class link on the description box below. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.